Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and here let's choose the battery, which should be on the 4th position. As you can see here in this section we've got the battery percentage option, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see it is immediately activated and applied. So from now on, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course we can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher, but let me leave it turned on. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.